What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie coming at you live from my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make a keto friendly or a keto omelet. And the secret to this omelet is its fluffiness. So I cracked 2 eggs in the Vitamix or blender, whatever you choose. 2 eggs into the Vitamix. And then I will put the secret ingredient into the Vitamix, which is the cottage cheese. So I'm going to put, I don't know, maybe a couple of spoonfuls in there. And what it does is it fluffs it right up, makes it nice and fluffy. So I'm going to put basically 2 spoonfuls. You don't have to overdo it. And then the seasonings of your choice, some black pepper. I like the Italian seasoning. And I also like Cajun seasoning or Tony C's, whatever you prefer. This is just a generic Cajun seasoning, but I also have Tony C's, which I like. I'm going to put a little bit in there. And then you just blend her up. And that's it, man. That's it, baby. Blend her up. I like to squeeze it down the sides so I can get all the egg and cottage cheese, but you can see it's getting nice and smooth in there. And we'll squeeze it down the side a little bit. Make sure we get everything in now. And then we pour it out of the Vitamix into a cast iron pan where I'm going to cook the omelet at medium heat. My pan is heating up right now. I'll show you in a bit. So now we've got a hot cast iron pan, medium heat. Put a little olive oil in it. You can see it, the pan is smoking. And we will pour the omelette into the pan. And there you have it. What I like to do is basically wait till you see that the sides are done. And you kind of scoop it up a little bit off of the pan, your frying pan, cast iron pan, whatever you're using. You scoop it up a little bit off of the pan after it cooks. But before that, I put some cheese. I put sprouts in the middle, and I'm going to put some avocado slices, and I'll fold it back over. And then I'll put the lid on it so that the cheese melts. And let me show you the finished product in a second. All right, so see how you can get that spatula underneath there, and it's smoking a little bit. And I put the cheese in the middle, and I'll put some alfalfa sprouts in the middle. Kind of got the California omelet vibe going on. And then I will fold her over like that. Put the lid on it so that the cheese melts and it finishes cooking. Really, that's about it. I'll show you the final product in a sec. And there it is right there, the final product, a nice fluffy omelet. And I got me some vegan bacon over here. I might do keto, but I don't go crazy and eat like a pound of bacon every morning. And I'm going to put some of my homemade carrot top pesto that I showed you guys a couple days ago on top of the omelet. And that's it. If you like my material, hit subscribe or go to the next video. Thanks. Peace out.